Hi guys, today I will show you to make these two cups, how to make them. So for the small one, I have taken a square sheet of size 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter. And for the bigger one, I am using this. This is 23 centimeters by 23 centimeters. You can see also, I can show you. So from here you can see centimeters, it's around 23 centimeters. So let's see how to make this beautiful cups. So when I have this square sheet, just I need to fold this corner to corner. And open this and take this part, fold it like this. Folding here is very important because when you fold properly, the sides will come nicely in the cups. That's why it will look more nice if you do folding properly. And turn this side towards you and fold this side also. It's done. Just turn like this, and from here take a middle point, like I'll show you like this. My scale is here and it's 23, so half of 23 is 11.5. so just mark a point from here, 11.5, and same point here also, 11.5. And then with the help of scale you can make a light line if you want. Light line, very light line. Just do this like this. From one side, do it like this. Take another side, do the same thing here also. Fold it nicely all the sides. And take this, do it like this. Fold it nicely. Turn towards you this side and do here also. You can do this way or this way. I did this way, so you can do like this. Basically all the sides needs to be folded properly and like this. It's like this. So one is left here. Do this like this, like this. And when one line is left, you can just do this like this. Complete all. Now all the sides are done. From here like this, and from there also. Press once again. Now it's done. Just open this one side, only one. We have to cut through this, the whole thing. With the help of scissors, now I am just cutting it. Cut the whole thing, we don't need it. And this and one more part. We will cut this and this because we don't need it. Cut this whole thing. This is done, and now the glue part will come. just take this side like this to your hand, put glue here. You can take Fevicol, that white glue, it's up to you, but I like this glue, so I'm taking this. Any kind of glue will work. Just do this like this, press it, it will paste, and it will come like this. And for these lines, these gaps, we just need to cut. From here we pasted, and these empty lines we have to cut. I will show you from where till where. We need to cut this till here. All the lines. Now it's done. So make sure you are, when you are done with your cutting, put all these lines backwards with your hand, fingers, just do it like this, backwards, turn it backwards, all of them, nicely and smoothly, just do it like this. And done. Now we just need to glue, nothing else. So take one of them, any one of them, it's up to you, and just glue it. You can do like this if you want, and it will be easy then. Just put glue here, put one this like this and another to stick it well. And with this, what you can do now, just do this like this and just put glue here, turn it backwards and just glue it, and then just stick it. Just put it back, put glue, and stick it. Put it back, put glue, just glue, just stick it. Only two are left, and then we are done. And one is left. And now when it's all done, it will look like this, and it's done. You just need to put a handle in it to it. So for that, I can take one centimeter is fine. You can take 1 centimeter, and the breadth is 1 centimeter and the length is 10 centimeters. 10. And just mark points, just make lines and cut. And just put glue here. Just fold it, then afterwards, after putting your glue, just fold it. It's done. If you fold like this, just put glue on the points, the edge of it, not here, just edge, because we just need to stick that only. That's why. So you can take any side, it's up to you, and just stick it like this. One. Sorry, I will stick it again. Hold it and take this, make it straight, and it's done. And you can personalize your cups also. You can put any alphabet or smiling face or anything, or any pattern. You can make any pattern in this, it's up to you. So it's all ready and ready to go. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for many more interesting videos, and please like my videos as well, and subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rise Analytics, and to my son's channel, his channel's name is Satik's World. Bye bye. See you next time.